How to write a good scientific research project. The scientific research project is a crucial step for science students. It demonstrates their ability to conduct rigorous research and communicate their findings clearly and concisely. We are going to give you practical advice for writing a good scientific research project, from formulating your research question to presenting your results. Formulation of the research question. The first step in any scientific research project is to formulate a relevant and specific research question. This question should be based on a current issue or on a topic that has not yet been explored in depth. It is important to clearly define the terms used in the research question to avoid any confusion or ambiguity. In addition, it is recommended to use reliable sources to ensure that the research question has not already been addressed in the scientific literature. Literature review. This is a key step in writing a scientific research project. It allows you to take stock of current knowledge in the field of research and to situate your work in relation to this knowledge. It is important to select reliable and relevant sources for your research and to be able to synthesize the information found in the scientific literature and use it to formulate your research question. Methodology. It outlines the steps you will take to answer your research question. It must be clear, precise and reproducible. You should describe the tools and techniques you will use to collect and analyze your data. It is also important to explain how you will process the data and how you will interpret the results obtained. Results. The results of your research project should be presented in a clear and concise manner. You must explain the results obtained and interpret them according to your research question. It is recommended to use graphs or tables to present the data visually. You should also discuss the limitations of your study and prospects for future research in the area. Conclusion. The conclusion should summarize the results of your research project and answer your research question. You should also discuss the implications of your results and their relevance to the area of research. It is important to highlight the limitations of your study and to suggest avenues for future research in the field. Finally, you should thank the people who contributed to your research project. If you are interested in learning more, please click on the link in the description of this video to register for the next session of our econometrics and quantitative techniques training in French language.